Bonbon with 3 different flavor make contrast. Passion, coconut ganache with milk or dark chocolate ganache. You can see the contrast and the flavor, and 3 different texture will take your brain away. Let's do the most sexy bonbon you will ever do. Coconut ganache, passion jelly, and milk chocolate ganache. It's so easy recipe. Let's start. 125 gram cream, coconut cream, not fresh cream, I'm mistaken. And then 375 white chocolate. I boil 125 gram coconut cream and add it to the mixture or the ganache. I just mix it to be light ganache. When it's light ganache, I added 10 gram of cacao butter and leave overnight in room temperature room. We cover it and then we do milk ganache. Milk ganache is so easy. 125 gram fresh cream, 375 gram milk chocolate. The same as we did before, we mix the hot cream with the chocolate to be ganache. Then we added 10 gram coconut butter melted. Unfortunately, it was not camera switch on when I added. We cover it overnight. So I sprayed the mold 1 day before, and second day I just mixed to be soft. Here we go, so easy recipe. 300 gram passion, 30 gram sugar, 2 gram agar. We mix it together when it's cold, must be cold. Then when it start boiling, I leave it 2 minutes boiling and passion jelly is ready. It's easy how it is. In second day or after a few hours when it's cool down, I just bring it to jar and blend it for 2 minutes to be smooth gel. You can see becomes very easy, smooth gel. You blend it to be very smooth. Then here we go, you can add it to squeeze bottle or piping back. What is easy for you to do? As you see, now we can use it for bonbon. We have many video how to spray the mold. 100 gram cacao butter, we make it hot. 110 gram of color, and then we press. So first I added the passion puree, then white chocolate or coconut ganache, and milk ganache. I make it hot, last batch, and then I cover it with tempering chocolate. The easy steps you can do with the chocolate is to make it simple and nice. That's it. We cover all the mold. I will leave it in the fridge to crystallize, and thank you for watching.